Take command of the road in the 2014 GMC Yukon. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include front bucket seats, a blind spot monitoring system, heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.